Hi boys and girls, today we're doing lesson 27, activity 1. These words this week are words with double consonants, usually in the middle of the word. So make sure that you have your marker. We are going to write the words and then just practice dividing them into syllables. Okay, so the first word that I want you to write is the word jelly. Jelly. So let's first check our spelling. So jelly is spelled J-E-L-L-Y, jelly. Now jelly is a two-consonant word. Two-syllable word, sorry. And anytime there's a double consonant in the middle, you always divide the word in between those consonants. So jelly, jelly. Okay? All right, let's try another one. Next word is bottom, bottom. The blue ball was at the bottom of the ball bag. So bottom. So let's check your spelling first. Bottom is B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. Now let's divide it into syllables. Bottom. So it would go in between the two T's, in between the two T's. All right, next word, pillow, 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 okay, pillow. So again, it's P-I-L-L-O-W, so see the smaller word pill in there, and then you would divide it, if we're doing syllables, in between the double consonant, pillow. Then here you can see the word low. Okay, next word. Happen, happen. Happen, happen. H-A-P-P-E-N. Happen, happen. So we would divide it between the two P's. Happen. Okay, next word. Butter, butter. Butter. So again, dividing between the two T's, butter, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. Butter like you put on your toast. Okay, that was 5 words. So for the people that do 5 words, we're going to stop and I'm going to explain the worksheet. So it says, write the basic word that best completes each group. All right, so number 1, sheet, blanket, oh, not jelly. Ooh, pillow. Sheet, blanket, pillow. So you would write in the word pillow. Pillow. Okay, and mark it off. Like that. Okay. Chapter, unit, lesson. So it starts with the chapter, the unit, the lesson. So lesson would be number 2. Like that. And be careful, lots of kids want to put an E-N on lesson. Remember, it ends in the word on, less on. Dime, quarter, let's see, dollar. Dime, quarter, dollar. They're all kinds of money. Okay? All right, and today let's just put a smiley face at the top of our paper for our secret message. Okay, moving on. Now let's do the review words. So we're going to write funny. So write the word fun, double that middle consonant. Funny, F-U-N-N-Y, funny. So you would divide it in between the two ends. Funny. Okay, next one, better. Better, better. So better, B-E-T-T-E-R. It would divide better, better, in between the two double consonants. So every one of these words this week has a double consonant in the middle. So 2 letters that are the same. Remember, A, E, I, O, and U are vowels. All the other letters are consonants. Okay, next word, lesson, lesson. Lesson. Okay, it's Lesson. And we divide it in between the two S's and we have lesson. Okay, cherry. Cherry. I like to eat a cherry. So cherry, cherry, C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. And cherry would be, again, divided in between your two R's. Okay? Next word, sudden. All of a sudden, the car stopped. Sudden. Sudden would be S-U-D-D-E-N. And dividing, sudden. When we divide words into syllables and we think about smaller parts of a word, it makes the spelling easier. If you think of the word in word parts instead of all the letters together, you have a better chance of spelling the words correctly. The next word is arrow. 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 A-R-R-O-W. Arrow. And you would divide it in between the two R's. Arrow. Do you see the word row? So we're able to make some smaller words and those bigger words. Next we have dollar. Dollar. So dollar, D-O-L-L-A-R. Divide it in between the two L's. Whoops. Dollar. Next is hello. Hello. Okay, so hello. We have hello and divide it between the two. Next is rabbit. 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 So rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. So a smaller word bit in there. Okay. Next is letter. A letter. We sent a letter to our pen pal. Letter. So letter is L-E-T-T-E-R. And divide it in between the two T's. Next is button. 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 So button is B-U-T-T-O-N. Button. And again, divide it between the two T's. Okay. That was 15 words, or 16. So everyone that does all 16 words, you may stop the video now. If you have challenge words, let's go on. The next word is address. What is your address? So I can find your house. So address, A-D-D-R-E-S-S. When I divide those syllables, I see add and I see the word dress. Okay, so add with the word dress makes address. Next one, traffic. Traffic. You have traffic, T-R-A-F-F-I-C, traffic. And then we would divide them between the F's, traffic. The next one is a longer word and kind of a hard one. So it's necessary, necessary. It's a long word, necessary. This is a necessary, three syllables. So we would divide it N-E in between the two S's. So necessary. Okay, N-E-C-E-S-S-A-R-Y. So think about it in syllables and that'll help you spell it correctly on the spelling test. Necessary. Next word is stubborn. Stubborn. Sometimes my dog is stubborn and doesn't want to go outside. Stubborn's also a long word. It's two smaller words put together though. So you write the word stub and the word born and put them together for stubborn. S-T-U-B-B-O-R-N. B-B-O-R-N. So we would divide it in between the two B's. So we have stub and born. Okay, last word today, mirror. Mirror. How many of you look in a mirror each morning when you're getting ready? Mirror. So we have M-I-R-R-O-R, and we would divide it. So we have mirror, roar. 3 R's in that word. Okay, that's it for today.